AI systems use sensors to collect real-time data on the reactor's temperature, pressure, and radiation levels. This data is then analyzed to detect any anomalies or deviations from normal operating conditions. If AI detects a problem, it can alert human operators. AI can even take pre-programmed actions to prevent a potential accident. This constant vigilance and rapid response capability make AI an invaluable tool for ensuring nuclear safety. Section 4. Enhancing safety, minimizing risks, the benefits of AI in nuclear energy. The main benefit of AI in nuclear energy is improved safety. AI systems can monitor reactor conditions in real time, providing constant oversight and immediate alerts if something goes wrong. AI can help prevent accidents by detecting problems early. It uses advanced algorithms to predict potential failures before they happen, allowing for preemptive measures. It can also help minimize the impact of any incidents. By simulating various scenarios, AI can guide emergency response teams to act swiftly and effectively. This is because AI can analyze data much faster than humans. It processes vast amounts of information in seconds, identifying patterns and anomalies that might be missed by human eyes. This allows for quicker responses to emergencies. Rapid data analysis means that decisions can be made in real time, reducing the risk of escalation. Besides safety, AI also enhances efficiency in nuclear plants. It optimizes operational processes, ensuring that every aspect of the plant runs smoothly and effectively. AI can optimize reactor performance. By continuously monitoring and adjusting reactor settings, it ensures optimal output and stability. This leads to less downtime and lower operating costs. Efficient operations mean fewer interruptions and more consistent energy production. By making nuclear energy safer and more efficient, AI is paving the way for a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. It plays a crucial role in the transition to greener energy sources, complementing other renewable technologies. Section 5. A glimpse into the future. AI's potential in nuclear systems. The future of AI in nuclear energy is incredibly promising. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, we are on the brink of a new era in nuclear technology. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated applications in this field. These applications will not only enhance efficiency, but also significantly improve safety measures. Imagine AI systems that can predict potential problems before they even occur. This foresight can prevent accidents and ensure the smooth operation of nuclear facilities. This predictive capability can revolutionize how we maintain and operate nuclear power plants. By identifying issues early, we can perform maintenance proactively, reducing downtime and costs. AI could also play a crucial role in developing new, safer